Hi, this video is for anyone who's got a Discovery 3 or a Discovery 4 7-seater and wants to install USB charging points on the jump seats. I like the look of these, and the other reason I bought them is because they have two ports. One's a USB standard port and the other one is a Type-C port, so it doesn't really matter which charging cable you're using. And I think you'll agree they look pretty neat. First things first, we need to remove this spring-loaded flap, which is taken out by removing these three 10mm bolts. Next, remove the side panel on the passenger side. I couldn't get to the power socket cables, but I did find an empty plug, and using a multimeter I found that there's a wire which is green with a peach coloured tracer. That is powered by the ignition when the engine is started, so I'm tapping off of that one to power the charging points. The red wire goes via a 2-amp fuse to the first charging point. And here's a convenient location for the earthing cable. Tap off from the first charging point to run this second cable along to the other side of the car. I've filed out a little notch here just to make it easier to run the cable through into the void onto the other side of the car. Feed the extension cable under the carpet through to the other side of the car. Tuck the cable neatly away under the carpet. The charging ports only come with a small piece of wire attached to them, so we need to extend these so that we can make our final connections behind the access panels. About 1 metre of 20 gauge wire is soldered and heat shrunk onto the ports. Mark up the position for the location of the ports. Drill out the first screw hole using a 1.5mm drill bit. These are the self-tapping screws that came with the ports. Now drill out the centre. I'm using a 6mm drill, but you can go higher, 8 or 10 is fine. Now feed the cable through and use bullet connectors to join the wires together. Start the engine and make sure that there is power to both power points. Finally, start putting everything back together again. Finally, put the spring flap back in again. They hook over these white little studs. And put the 10mm bolts back in. Only tighten these hand tight. If you found this video useful, then please like and subscribe, and please drop a comment if you'd like me to do a video on anything else. Cheers. Thanks for watching.